at some of the Fast and Furious construction. It's pretty massive. It goes from the lower lot to the upper lot. There's been a lot of progress made since we were here last month. We have an update on the site from last month. No video, but I'm going to show you guys a little look here. Not a lot to see. Well, there's a lot to see, but maybe not a lot for me to point out. But there are some support beams already for the track up there. And then there is a platform that has some coaster track on it. And then it looks like there's some rebar to the right where they're probably going to continue to build up the wall there. And here's another angle of the construction. The sun is setting, so the lighting's not very good. I'm going to give you another angle in just a moment, but I'm going to try to zoom here for you. So here is a look at that platform. This is on the upper lot, back where the fair used to be. I'm going to zoom in so you can see that track. I took pictures before the sun started going down, so there should be better pictures on the site. I'm sorry for the glare, but I'm doing the best I can.
This is the UD right here. This is blood, man.